Hi everyone, this is a video on how to create an email signature in Gmail. So the first thing you'll need to do once you're signed in is select the settings icon in the top right and then select See All Settings. It's under the General tab in Settings. You'll have to scroll down. It's about halfway through and you'll see the signature option here. Right now we have no signature, so we'll be creating a new signature and we'll need to name it. So I'm entering a name and selecting Create. In this box here on the right is where you will need to create the signature. So I like to put a response, the name, and then the contact info below. Once this looks good, you want to select Insert Signature before quoted text and replies, and then select how you would like to use the signature default. So I like to have it on every new email and on every reply. And it doesn't save right away. You actually have to come down to the bottom and then select Save Changes here. And now that that's saved, once I hit Compose, you'll see my signature here. If somebody emails me and I respond, it will also add the signature in. Thanks for watching.